All right, we have y equals negative x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. The function passes through 11, 0, negative 11, 0, 0, 2,473. R0, where r is less than negative 11, what is the value of b plus c plus d? Okay, I'm going to show you on Desmos how to solve this. All right, so let's go. Start out by putting in the function f of x is equal to negative x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Okay, let's set up a set. So we're going to say f of negative 11. We're going to say f of 11. We're going to say f of 0. And we're going to say f of r. And then we're going to use tilde to find the B, C, and D values that would match up as the best fit for this. And then we're going to put in our output values. So f of a negative 11 was 0, f of 11 is 0, f of 0 is 2,473, and f of r is 0. And we want the condition that r is less than, we got to put this in a squiggly bracket, r is less than negative 11. Okay, and we go to here and we say b plus c plus d, and we get our answer of 2,573.56.